Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I created this pink half cut crease look. I've already started by filling in my eyebrows with my Anastasia Brow Wiz in the color Chocolate. Now I'm taking Soft Ocre Paint Pot by MAC and I'm priming and concealing my lids with it. For this look, I'm using my matte Karity 21 palette. I'm starting by taking the color Coquette and I'm putting that all throughout my crease up towards my brow bone. Now I'm taking the color Cancun and I'm just going to build up the crease color with it. With the shade Lumbia, I'm taking that also in my crease but making sure to really work it into the socket of my eye. Here I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm just blending together all of the colors to make sure I don't have any harsh lines going on. Now with the shade NSFW, I'm slowly building that into the socket of my eye as well, but more focusing it on the outer half of my eye. Once again, taking a fluffy brush to blend everything out. Now I'm taking the shade Huntress and I'm really focusing this on the outer V of my eye to kind of smoke everything out just a little bit. When this shade is combined with the pinks, it doesn't come off like a brown like it actually is, it looks more of a plum. Again, using a bigger brush to blend everything out. Here I'm taking the shade Luxuria and I'm going right underneath my brow with it. I'm doing this to brighten up the look a little bit. It also helps to clean it up. Here I'm taking a makeup wipe and I'm cleaning up any fallout that I may have underneath my eye. With the Soft Ocre Paint Pot by MAC, I'm going ahead and starting to cut the crease. For this, I like to use a flat brush. And then I'm going to go right over top of where I use the Soft Ochre and I'm going to use the Luxuria shadow on top of that. Taking the shade Huntress on the same stiff brush, I'm blending it in on the outer half of my eye towards where I have the shade Luxuria, that way there's just a softer transition. Using a liquid eyeliner by MAC, I'm going ahead and making a very thin line. I did go ahead and add some lashes off screen, and now I'm going over top of the band with the eyeliner just to blend it in a little bit more. Now with my favorite mascara, I'm just blending in my natural lashes with the falsies. For foundation, I'm using my Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. The color I wear is 150G. I've been really loving this foundation lately for when I want full coverage. Using my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light Sand, I am concealing my under eyes. To blend it out, I'm using my Morphe sponge. To set my face, I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. To contour, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in light to medium. I like to use the lightest color in this kit when I am fair, and I'm just placing it anywhere I want to sculpt a little bit. For blush, I'm using Orgasm by Nars, and I'm placing that on the apples of my cheeks and then moving it outwards. For eyeliner, I'm using this brown one by NYX because I couldn't find the normal plum shade that I would use, but this actually ended up working really well. Taking the shade Huntress on a small stiff brush, I'm taking this right underneath my lash line and blending it in. I'm also taking it and blending it towards the eyeliner. With the shade NSFW, I'm going to go right over where I had the Huntress shade just to kind of bring in the pink from the top. Now I'm adding some mascara to my bottom lashes. For lip liner today, I'm using Strip Down by MAC, and I'm also going to fill in my lips about halfway with it. For lipstick, I'm using the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in the color Magic Wand. And then I'm taking this lipstick by MAC from the Mariah Carey collection in the color Dahling, and I'm adding that right to the center of my lips because the lipstick came off a tiny bit darker than I wanted for this look. For highlighter, I'm using this one by Colourpop, and it's in the color here Kitty Kitty, and I'm using that on top of my cheekbones and on the tip of my nose. I'm also adding just a little bit to the inner corner of my eyes. And this is the final look. If you guys liked how this video came out, please let me know by leaving a comment down below, giving a thumbs up, and subscribing. Thanks!